feel like the cave diver videos. I mismeasured. And a new task. Right, back at it with day 4. Finishing off that pike and a new task. Get all these stone features chipped off. Customer doesn't want them anymore. So I'll just see if I can just smack them off with a bolster or the chisel bit. But I think first I'll get that bloody cave diving expedition done. This camera's going weird angles here. But yeah. Yeah, I'll let Jason unload his stuff too. Back to it. Well, I finished that with just enough bricks, so I've got up to there. I've officially run out of bricks now because the neighbour has collected all the bricks from the skip for a hole in his garden. So, thankfully I managed to just about scrounge enough bricks to get to that level of the purling. If I can find any spares I might just patch that little hole up, but obviously it's mainly for that anyway, and it's level there. So yeah, happy days. That was it was difficult from that bottom course, but then thankfully it got a bit easier as I went up. So I'll just patch up any little holes now and then get to knocking out those stones downstairs. I didn't go too bad. Some of them just popped right out. Others were a bit resilient. I might try and pop that out. But yeah, there we go. She never said anything about all this part, so I don't know if all that's staying or not. If it comes during today, you can always ask. But yeah, here we go. Lovely stuff. Now I guess get those acras out, finish up the pointing, and that's me. So, for the most part, my part is finished. Steel's in, doors blocked up. I'll show you the, oh no I can't because it's all covered back up, you've seen it. And stones taken out and then patched and then little filled in where need be. So I'll just film the rest of the day, whatever we do, and then sign out from there.
There you go. There's my first ever plasterboarding. Obviously with Jason's help marking out and everything, but not bad. I think we might just have enough as well to go over that part over the door as well. So happy days. There we go. Quite chuffed with that. There we go. Now that's a big difference. Now the whole layout has changed. Yeah, plasterboard done. Go. I was kind of dreading this job when Dad pitched it to me. Well, he didn't pitch it. He told me what was that. He told me, "Oh, you're going to be working with Jason doing a steel on the door." That was it. That's all I was told. But it turned out quite well in the end. I quite enjoyed that. Obviously, steel's in. Doorway's blocked up. New doorway studded in. Plasterboard cut by Jason, screwed on by me. And we've padded out like the steel and stuff ready for plasterboarding as well. Jason cut, I screwed on. And then I'll try and just give you a little showcase. That was a little weird. I'm glad I got that on camera. I kind of don't want to go in now. On the light, and then the pike runs all the way back up to the purling. I'm just gonna close that and I'm gonna leave. But yeah, that was good and I quite enjoyed doing that plasterboarding. Hey? So yeah, happy days. It's quite a satisfying one, that. So I will sign out here. That's it for me. Obviously Jason will be coming back to do more plasterboard, and I might see if he needs any help if I'm not doing anything else. And there's the conservatory converted to an extension that we did. This is where the mixer packed in, right there. But yeah, and they've just had the blinds put in. It's quite nice, that, yeah. Very nice. So yeah, thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to give a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel and you want to see more, hit subscribe and tap on that bell so you always know when we upload. Massive help and we greatly appreciate it. And of course, by no means necessary, but if there's any additional support you want to give, there's a super thanks under the video or the PayPal in the description. Not necessary by any means, it's just an extra way of supporting us, which we greatly appreciate. But yeah, this has been bricklaying, joinery and plaster work with Jason and Alex, and we'll see you in the next one.